Hello? Yes, this is the new main story news. The Islamic militants take over radio station in Libya. Take over radio stations, yeah, because they don't want to play music. They want to play music. This is a sad world, I'm telling you. This is a sad world that we live in. That this kind of stuff goes on. This kind of stuff goes on. Really is a sad world that we live in. It's a terrible, terrible thing. So let's hope they get freed. The gunmen took over the radio stations. I don't know what they're going to do. I really don't know what they're going to do. But it is sad that these Islamic militants, these radical groups, cause such harm and such damage to people's nations. Syria, Pakistan, Egypt, anywhere you go, there's Islamic militants. Al-Qaeda, Taliban, ISIS. They took over the radio stations in Libya. This is something new being started. Thank you.